Five spooky riders were riding on a bus. Skeleton and Mummy making lots of fuss. One stood up and bumped his head. Say, Kitty called the owl, and the owl then said, no more spooky riding on the bus.
Riding on a 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 bus.
Four spooky riders were riding on a bus. Zombie skeleton causing crazy fuss. One slipped out and broke the wheel. The kitty called the Dino, and Dino then said, stop the spooky ride on the bus.
Riding on a 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 bus.
Three spooky riders were riding on a bus. Mummy witch making lots of fuss. Witch did magic, oops, too fast. A window flew off and didn't last. Kitty called the ghost, and ghost then said, no more magic on the bus.
Riding on a 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 bus.
Two spooky riders were riding on a bus. Dracula, zombie, scary little fuss. Dracula laughed and scared the lights. Kitty called the bear, and bear then said, Bade, stop the spooky ride tonight.
Riding on a bus.
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 One spooky rider was riding on a bus. Skeleton crying, feeling big fuss. He jumped too hard and broke the seat. Kitty called the witch, and witch then said, fix the bus, fix it fast.
Riding on a bus.
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 They fixed the bus. Riding on a bus. All spooky riders back again. Kitty smiles and says, today let's all ride in a happy way. Lee, ha!
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.
Oh, add some magic. Oh,
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Woo-hoo! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Woo-hoo! Happy birthday to you! Ooh-three! Happy birthday! Woo-hoo! But wait! What's that sound? Kitty's cake is dancing round! Shake, shake, shake! Spin around! The crazy cake is bouncing round! Pretty's birthday starts today! Balloons and candy everywhere! Presents stacked up by the wall, and friends are dancing big and small. Happy birthday! Clap, 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 clap! Kitty wears a party hat! Happy birthday to you, Cat Collie! Happy birthday! Woo-hoo! Happy birthday to you, Cat Collie! Happy birthday! Woo-hoo! Big cake sits on the stand. Kitty smiles and starts to dance. But suddenly the cake says, hey! Then jumps right up and runs away. Shake, 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 catch the cake. Don't let it escape today. Cake rolls fast across the floor. Kitty chases out the door. Happy birthday to you, Pet Pooh. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Happy birthday to you, Pet Pooh. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Cupcakes bouncing left and right. Candles glowing super bright. Spin, 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 twirl around. Birthday magic all around. Cake spins like a disco ball. Frosting splashes on the wall. Sprinkles flying through the air. Your kitty lights up out of care. Happy birthday to you, Pet Pooh. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Happy birthday to you, Pet Pooh. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Spin, 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 twirl around. Birthday magic all around. Cake slows down and starts to sing. Happy birthday, Kitty Queen. Kitty hugs the magic cake, make blood. Then they eat a giant slice. Happy birthday, hooray, hooray. Kitty's birthday happy birthday! Ooh, happy birthday! Ooh, dancing cake and kitty too! Oh no, Shy Kitty forgot all her body parts. Let's help Kitty learn and point them correctly. Touch, sing, and learn with Kitty Poo. Kitty looks in the mirror today. Something is missing. What can I say? She wants to learn in a funny way. So let's help Kitty start to play. Head, 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 where are you? Here I am, I'm on top of you. Kitty laughs, I found you there. Her head is here, now we're aware. Eyes, eyes, where are you? Here I am, I see you too. Kitty blinks, I can see bright. Eyes help me see day and night. Nose, nose, where are you? Here I am, I sniff things too. Kitty giggles, what a smell. Nose is working very well. Mouth, mouth, where are you? Here I am, I talk to you. Kitty sings la la la. Mouth can laugh and say hurrah. Hands, hands, where are you? Here I am, I clap for you. Kitty claps, clap, clap. Hands help me give a tap. Feet, feet, where are you? Here I am, I walk with you. Kitty jumps, run so fast. Feet help me have fun that last. Kitty learned her body parts today. Head to feet in a fun way. Touch and sing, come and see. Learning is fun for you and me. 5 skeletons were stealing eggs at night. They grabbed the eggs and ran out of sight. But Kitty woke up with glowing eyes. Hey, stop right there! She shouted in surprise. One got caught, poof, he's gone. Hit the rest, ran fast before the dawn. Kitty called the inspector and inspector said, no more skeletons stealing eggs tonight. 4 skeletons came back again, thinking they could steal like vengeance. But Kitty was ready, quick and smart. Not in my farm, you can't take part. One slipped away with a funny fall. The others ran away from it all. Kitty called the inspector and inspector said, stay away from this farm tonight. 3 skeletons tried once more, sneaking quietly near the door. But Kitty jumped with a magic sound and made them vanish all around. Kitty said, this is not your place. They ran away in a silly chase. Inspector came and clearly said, no more stealing eggs tonight. 2 skeletons came super slow, but Kitty said no, no, no. One got scared and ran away fast. The other didn't even last. No. Inspector arrived with warning light. Keep the eggs safe every night. 1 skeleton was stealing eggs alone, but Kitty was strong like stone and pool.
careful again.
kitty's place. Inspector came and closed the case. All eggs safe, no more waste. Eggs are safe, the farm is fine. Kitty did an awesome shine within, with happy meows and morning lights. No
Look, more
more
eggs by the barn.
stealing eggs
Almost got them all.
tonight.
Into the basket.
Oh no, baby shark is sick today. Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check. What should we do? Dr. Kitty will help you. Meow, don't you cry. Dr. Kitty's standing by. Baby shark wakes up so slow. Tiny sneeze, achoo. Tummy hurts and head feels hot. Feeling happy, maybe not. Oh no, what's wrong today? Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check. Runs in fast, how with the doctor bag at last. Heartbeat check, boom. Kitty says you'll feel good soon.
1, 2, 3.
Check. 1, 2, 3. Dr. Kitty helps with me.
Try this
Baby shark says achoo. Ritty laughs, bless you too. Medicine taste, yucky yup. Baby shark says, oh no, yuck. Sip, drink it up. Soon you'll jump and splash and hop. Kitty puts ice on shark's head. Time for rest in your warm bed. Baby shark takes little nap, then wakes up and starts to clap. Yay, feeling great. Dr. Kitty saved Daddy. Baby shark jumps in the sea, healthy, happy as can be. Dancing, splashing all around. Happy Sharky makes this sound. Thank you, Kitty, thank you, meow. I feel so much better now. Oh no, sick no more. Baby shark swims like before. Hip, hooray, 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 hooray. Bubble, don't pop. Something scary makes you stop. Kitty says stay close to me. Baby shark, what can it be? Bubble and go slow. All history's about to show. Bee and baby shark are playing. Bubbles flying, kids are spraying. Pop, goes every side. Laughing loud with